Okay, so here we have a tomtoc sling bag that I will use for all my electronics and everyday carry. So we start by unboxing this and then we try it out with some different devices and stuff I will carry around in this sling bag from tomtoc. Tomtoc is a quite famous brand for sling bags, and as you can see here, protect your digital gear. So let's start by opening this plastic small bag. And I choose the gray silver version with some orange because I think that was a really nice color. But if we go to my desktop cam and my web browser, we can see that you can choose different colors here. For example, this is kind of neat, and well, you can choose different bags here. And this is how you carry a sling bag, as you can see with this clip here. You can move the bag to the front, as you can see here, and get to all your stuff very easily, and when you're done you put it on the back again. That's really nice. And this version I bought is for 8-inch, so you could use it for example, let's go back to my table cam. So you can, for example, use it for a Kindle Paperwhite in 8-inch, or if you prefer, you can use it with a Kobo that is only 6-inch or 7-inch. I don't remember, 7-inch maybe, the Kobo Clara 2E. And you can of course use it with iPhones and a lot more, but sadly not my 11-inch iPad Air. It's too small for that, but I did know that when I bought it, so I usually don't carry around my iPad anymore. It's usually only at home here. So here is the bag. Let's see if we can remove some stickers and so. Protect your digital gear, warranty. And let's remove those by having a scissor, and then we remove that. So here we have on the back a pocket. Here we have one of the clips, as you saw on the photos on the website. Here we have one pocket for secret stuff or important stuff, because you can have that on the inside against your body when carrying it. That's good. And we also have another pocket here, a larger pocket with the other end of the carrying clip. So let's remove this, and here we have that one. And of course you can do that in different sizes and so on, so it fits you. And with these clips it's so easy to put this bag, your sling bag, on, and just do this to take your sling bag off. So that's very good. And we also have some kind of possibility to use this in some way. I'm not sure to what. So in this large pocket, you see you have a few smaller pockets. hard to see on camera maybe, but you see some mesh pockets for different stuff, maybe cables for example, and so on. That's nice. So in the large pocket I will have my Kindle for example, and hopefully the Kindle fits with this beautiful leather bag I bought for it. Hopefully we will see that soon. So that was about it. Some small mesh pockets on the inside and a large pocket on the inside, 2 large pockets, and we have 1 pocket on the back side of it. I think that's it for all the pockets. No, we have 1 more on the outside here. That's really nice. Here we have a pocket for example, keys. Here you can put your keys. That's great. That's quite awesome actually. So you can have your keys here. Nice. That's really nice actually. I like that. So a lot of pockets. So let's try some different stuff to fit in this. Let's start with my keys. Hold on. So here we have my keys and my Mercedes car key and all the keys I need, and 2 tags to open garage door and the head door at the house. So let's try to have these keys in this to see how good that works. Like so maybe, and have that in this pocket. It's quite easy. Nice. And we have also my AirPods Pro. I have always with me wherever I go. I wonder where I should have that. Maybe in one of the small mesh pockets, maybe like so. Hopefully that will go well. And as you can see, as I said, my Kindle Paperwhite should be in one of the pockets, maybe that or that. I removed the AirPods Pro again. So wow, it fits, but maybe not with the bag, because it was very tight fit. But let's see with the bag. I hope it will fit with the bag on. This will be tight, really tight, I see. But probably it will go. I hope so. Maybe not. Like so. It worked. It worked actually, so that's good. So, but it was a tight fit with the bag on my Kindle Paperwhite. But it worked, and I'm glad for that. So maybe I should have my iPhone at the back side. It could be great to have that in that pocket. And I'm not sure if I should have the AirPods in the same, because maybe it will not be protected and scratch my iPad and so on if I have it in the same pocket as the iPad. Oh, I mean the iPhone. But well, we have a lot more pockets, so maybe we can have that just inside, like so. And the Clara 2E I don't use so much anymore because I have a Kindle Paperwhite. But excuse me. But what I use this Clara 2E for is that it has 16 gigabytes of storage. So I have all my Caliber book library stored on it as a backup. So that is what I use the Clara 2E with. So it could be good to have always with you, because if you need some of the books in the Caliber book library and you don't have a connection or something, then I can read that book because it's on this Clara 2E. But as you can see, there is not much left, but I can always do this if I want. So I always have it with me if I want. No problem actually, because I have my Kindle Paperwhite in a bag, so that will not be a problem. So I can have my Clara 2E always with me if I want, and that's great. One thing though is I have a Apple wallet with MagSafe, so instead of having my cards and so on at the inside in a wallet here, I will have it mounted on my iPhone instead, on the back side, and have my iPhone and wallet in the same pocket on the back side of the tomtoc Sling Bag. So I will have a link down below where you can buy this sling bag on Amazon here in Sweden. Of course you can buy a tomtoc from all your different Amazon countries where you live and so on. Of course you can do that. And I think that will be it for this video. I will do some adjustments for my everyday carry, and after using this for a while I will go back to show you how I use this for my everyday carry. So that was it. Okay, bye.